Is my little frog hungry? What does the frog say, Charlotte?
Rabbit.
What does the frog say, honey?
You say?
No. What does he say?
No, you say.
Bananas? Do little frogs like bananas? Where's my little frog, Charlotte? Oh, I see her hiney. What do frogs say?
You say?
Yeah. Do frogs like bananas?
Yes.
Do they like flies?
No.
Only bananas? Yeah.
I'm eating it.
Okay. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Where did Daddy go?
He's over there, behind his desk.
Doing office stuff.
Did you have a nice day today?
Let me walk around.
Yeah? Okay, bye.
Ooh. And we got balls. Where did we
Look,
go?
there's one coming.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Hey, I carried one up.
Yeah?
I carried one up.
Okay, throw the other one up.
Good throw.
Throw it again. Good job.
What are they doing?
They're bouncing.
Rolling away. Could you say ribbit for mommy?
Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit.
Could you turn around and say ribbit for mommy?
Can you look at mommy and say ribbit?
Where's my baby?
Ribbit.
Go get those balls.
Here's one.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Poopia! There's a poop in the frog hiney. Poop, poop.